everyone, and welcome to At Home with Camella. My name is Nikki Viola, and right now we're here in front of Cara. This house is actually perfect for our newlywed couples who wants to start their family in their new home with the floor area of 66 square meters and a lot area of 88 square meters. With that size, for sure you can gauge how perfect this house is for you. So, for all of our viewers out there, if you're excited to explore Cara, join me right now. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome to Cara. And with that, we are greeted by this very beautiful living room right here. Nakikita niyo po ba? Ayan. So, whenever you have your friends over, you can tell them to just sit back and relax dito sa living room. So, ito, very spacious and very beautiful nga din yung pagkakasetup ng ating living room. And for this one, this is an interesting feature dito sa Cara because with this, you can put different stuff that you like. For example, like collections, like vinyls or even paintings. Or kung example, yung hobby mo is basketball player before or athlete siya before and marami siyang trophies, you can also display it right here to remind yourselves na, ay, na-achieve ko pala to. Diba? Whenever you look at your house and you see all of those kinds of collections and trophies, talagang gaganda rin yung pakiramdam mo. Alright? So, ito yan. At least medyo malaki-laki siya. So, marami-rami kayong mga collections na mailalagay dito. Okay, so aside from that, we have our bathroom and toilet right here on this side. And as I've said earlier, if you have your friends over, ayan, after chilling in the living room, we have our dining area as well. Ayan, so meron siyang mga seats as well na perfect if you invite some of your friends over. Because especially, for example, or you can imagine yourselves as newlyweds, because this is perfect talaga sa mga people who are starting their own families, itong Cara house. Ayan, pwede sila dito. And of course, along with our dining table is our kitchen. Ayan, very important ang kitchen with every household, diba? Ayan, so you can cook up at storm whenever you have, if you want to have your own parang mga food trip with your hubby at 3 a.m. Ayan, punta lang kayo dito sa inyong kusina and then you can cook anything that you like. So we have a spacious kitchen as well. You can put your different ingredients right here. We have different cabinets as well. And syempre, lalagyan natin ng ref and oven, which is very important. Alright, so diba, ayan, we have our ground floor for you dito sa Camella Homes Cara House Model Tour. And this wouldn't be possible without All Home. And with that said, we have some great news for you. As one of the perks of being a Camella homeowner is that you get to avail a free interior styling consultations and discounted packages from All Home. So All Home is your one-stop shop for your home furnishings and renovation needs. So you can shop at any All Home branch located nationwide or online at www.allhome.com.ph. Ayan, kung gusto niyo maging ganito kaganda din ang interiors ng inyong tahanan, ayan, sa All Home niyo lamang yan makukuha. Alright, so now, let's move on to our second floor, shall we? Let's go. And now, we'll be exploring the second floor of Cara. So we'll be showing you a toilet and bath and 3 bedrooms. So first is our toilet and bathroom right here on the right side na malapit sa ating mga rooms. And let's move on to the first one, our very cute, very beautiful nursery room. This one is really perfect for your newborn or babies with its space, ayan, and all that, and its style. And of course, maganda kasi tapat na tapat siya ng ating room or room ninyo ni hubby. Ayan, we have our very comfy bed right here with a very comfortable space as well. So if you want to have a quality time with your husband or with your wife, this room is actually perfect. So also, aside from that, we have our nursery room, we have your room, we have your room for your kuya or ate as well. So we'll be checking it out. Just like this one. Diba? Ayan, this is very beautiful as well, spacious, and syempre talagang very flexible when it comes to creating your own design or layout. Ayan, you can flex your creative juices whenever you design your own rooms dito lamang sa Camella Homes, diba? Just like this one, diba? Very perfect. Mas magiging productive yung inyong mga anak whenever na ganito yung setup ng kwarto nila. Alright? So now that we've covered the rest of the features dito sa Cara House, for sure all of you are excited to actually see this in person. So I'm encouraging you to check it out because who knows, this might be the perfect home for you. Apart from offering beautiful homes, Camella also provides its homeowners a wide range of amenities that would suit their needs and lifestyle. Keep your family safe and secured, and have peace of mind with the presence of 24/7 security within Camella's gated communities. Share precious moments with your loved ones at Camella's family-friendly amenities such as the clubhouse, basketball courts, playgrounds, and swimming pools. With its excellent location, every Camella community makes life convenient for its residents, as all the things you'll need is always be within your reach. Enjoy all these and live the life you've always dreamed of only at Camella. And that's it for our house tour. So we hope you enjoyed as much as I do. And we hope also that we made you feel at home here in Camella. For more updates, you can check our website www.camella.com.ph, and you can also follow our social media accounts. Thank you and have a great day, everyone.